Hard Skills Explained. Unlock your learning potential. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very important concept in the professional world: hard skills. Understanding this term is crucial, whether you're job hunting, building your career, or just expanding your vocabulary. So, let's dive in and explore what hard skills are all about. Hard skills are specific, teachable abilities or skill sets that are easy to quantify. Typically, they are learned through education, training programs, certifications, or on-the-job training. These skills are often industry-specific. For example, a programmer needs to know programming languages, a teacher should be skilled in instructional techniques, and a carpenter needs expertise in carpentry techniques. Unlike soft skills, which are related to the way you work and interact with others, hard skills are about your ability to perform a specific task. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some common examples of hard skills. 1. Computer programming. Knowledge of programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. 2. Foreign language proficiency. Ability to speak languages other than your native tongue. 3. Data analysis. Skills in handling and interpreting data using tools like Excel, SQL, or specific data analysis software. 4. Certifications. Professional certifications like CPA for accountants, PMP for project managers, etc. 5. Technical writing. The ability to write manuals, user guides, and other technical documents. Hard skills are crucial for several reasons. They demonstrate your expertise in a specific area. They are often a basic requirement for many jobs. They enable you to perform your job effectively. In many cases, hard skills can be directly linked to job performance and productivity. Improving your hard skills involves a few steps. 1. Identify the skills needed in your field. Research the most demanded skills in your industry. 2. Seek formal education or training. Enroll in courses, workshops, or seminars. 3. Practice regularly. Apply what you learn in practical scenarios. 4. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest developments and trends in your field. I hope this video helps you understand what hard skills are and why they're so important in the professional world. Remember, continually improving your hard skills is key to career growth and success. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this. Happy learning!